We've got the Mazak Nexus 410B.
All right. Up front, obviously, you take a look around. We'll take a walk around the machine. We open this door all the way. Yep. There we go. Come across on the Nexus control here. You're done there. Down as you're down low there, that whole front end is the conveyor, of course, all the way back to the side. I think we got 4 augers in this machine, so chip augers down low here, so they all work. Yep. Can't see. Come around here. Main control panel. MITS controller and drives. And as we come around the side here, see my 3-phase coming in, my temporary lines coming into the disconnect. That's me, 480 volts. And you can pan across. We've got some big covers off sitting by the wall here, so you can see the whole back end of the machine. Got the chiller down low, the oil pump. And we'll walk around the front of it and show that chiller as we come across. Oil levels up here, and come around the side and kind of see it running. It's off right now. You'll hear it kick in. You can hear it rumble. It says the chiller, that's on, and the whole air package, oiler, grease package. So lubrication and pneumatics are here. And as you pan across to the right here, this all goes with it, of course. Got some tooling here, the 40 taper. Leveling pads are in that box with all the documentation. And off to your left here is the pump system with the conveyor as you pull back. Yep. And I'm going to open this up and just maybe show a manual index of the carousel. I don't have a tool change on her. I do not have a program, but I can move the carousel here in manual mode. Show that a little bit anyhow. Forward, reverse, I guess it doesn't matter. We'll go once the other way. That's all good. We go around the front, move some axes, fire up the spindle maybe, and see how it sounds. So I've already homed the machine, and so in rapid, well, we're on the hand wheel right now. Here's my jog, pulse generator work, as you can see. That's no problem. And if we get up in the jog mode, I can move the axes readily. And that's at 12%. I can move up the rapid or jump up a notch, go a little bit quicker. And it's kind of loud in here with the air in the compressor, but coming closer. That one, and then F. Here's Z. We do have the rotary going on here, which is right here. And that's pretty much it for what I can do up here. Move the axes, and I can bring the spindle all the way back up. If I go back into home, and just let everything go back in home position. I just wanted to bring the Z up. Go back in, let's move the X back where we can kind of see things. And spindle on, I left it right around 2000. I've got an alarm. Oh, I left the magazine on manuals. Stay right here. Yeah, it won't let me do anything if we leave that on. We're good to go. And so, yeah, where was I at? Spindle start, which is, there's a rapid right here. Spindle on that 1780. Feed we're not even doing because I'm not running a program. The program would be under work. If we go into memory, work number, there's really nothing in there. Take a look up in here. It looks like it's all Renishaw stuff, a little bit that's in there. It's this page right here, 9000 series Renishaw, manual length, diameter, and page down. That's the only other, it's all Renishaw on there. So there's not much I can really run right here. So I'm just going to leave that one right there. Input 1, 2, 3, 4. Not really run it, just to have something on board. That said, we're back to jog, and I'll bring the spindle up, which is spindle start right now. It's running, and we are at 1780, and I'll bring it up slowly. You see it right here? You can kind of see it move. 25. Okay, compressor's off. We can take it up now before the compressor comes on. So yeah, there's not a lot you can see inside the cabinet, but you can kind of just get the phone in there. And I'll call it 5,000, 55, 7, 8. I'm gonna stop it right there and start just to hear it. That's 8. Let's go with it more. 95. 10.5. 12. I'll stop it. 12,000. Bring it back up again at 12. That's full out. Bring it back down slowly. 10. 9. 7. That's about it there. So that, spindle stop. And other than a couple of odds and ends, conveyor and stuff, we don't have much more to show here. That's pretty much what I've got. So.
All right. Thanks, Rod.
Yep.